Good afternoon. This is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. Just want to go over some more of our data for our cleanings. As you can see, this is the amps, temperature in the box, where it's located, how much amps, hydrogen production is on, temperature in the box, voltage, a lot of parameters. But this is 1 day's worth. As you can see, we've did about 8 cleanings. We do about 8 cleanings a day with each one of these units, but what I like is we show the amps and the actual temperature. You can see this is the temperature, so we're monitoring the temperature inside the hydrogen box. And of course, if you just hover over these, it'll show you the sometimes a little tricky, shows you the production at that exact moment and when we did that cleaning. Of course, that was the peak of the temperature of the day. I think it tells you the time here. It's about 1:48 in the afternoon. So we like that we're monitoring the internal temperature of the box. We have about 10 of these units out there now, and we can watch them anytime, anywhere, and see how much hydrogen that they're making, how many cleanings they're doing per day. So it's been really good to have this data for us. But I just thought I would reveal some more of our data on our cleaning units, showing that we monitor and watch them wherever they're at. Thanks.